Do you want to maximize your blueberry harvest? Understanding how to prune your blueberry bushes is key. Pruning is not just about snipping here and there. It's an art that, when done properly, can lead to an abundance of delicious berries. The best time to prune blueberries is in the late winter to early spring. This is when the bushes are still dormant, allowing you to see the structure of the bush clearly and make precise cuts before new growth begins. To ensure a clean cut without tearing the wood, use sharp pruning shears or loppers. Remember, cleanliness is next to godliness, especially when it comes to pruning. Disinfect your tools with a solution of 1 part bleach to 9 parts water to prevent the spread of diseases between plants. When pruning blueberries, aim to eliminate about 20% of the oldest wood each year. This encourages the growth of new shoots, which bear the most fruit. Also, strive to keep the center of the bush open to improve airflow and light penetration. Start the pruning process by identifying and removing any dead, damaged, or diseased branches. Cut these back to healthy wood, ensuring all the affected parts are removed. Next, eliminate thin, weak, or spindly branches. These branches are unlikely to produce much fruit and can sap nutrients from the rest of the plant. If the bush is overcrowded, thin out some of the smaller branches selectively. Aim to maintain an open, vase-like shape with the center of the bush clear. The oldest, thickest branches should be pruned back to ground level. This stimulates the growth of new shoots from the base of the plant, which will bear more fruit. To encourage branching and bushier growth, lightly prune the tips of some of the younger branches. This will stimulate the growth of lateral shoots, which will produce more berries. Remember, different varieties of blueberries may require slightly different pruning approaches. High bush blueberries, for example, are typically pruned more heavily than low bush varieties. Always research the specific needs of your variety before pruning. After pruning, show your plants some love. Apply a balanced fertilizer according to the recommendations for your soil type and blueberry variety. Mulch around the base of the plants to conserve moisture and suppress weeds. Keep the bushes well watered, especially during dry periods. Throughout the growing season, keep an eye on your blueberry bushes and remove any suckers or overly vigorous growth that could crowd the bush or compete for nutrients. By regularly pruning your blueberry bushes, you not only promote healthy growth, but also maximize fruit production, ensuring a bountiful harvest for years to come. Now go forth and prune with confidence.